Maneuvering through, mastering the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, maneuvering through. This phrase is not just about physical movement. It's a versatile expression used in various contexts. Stay tuned as we explore its meanings, uses, and nuances to help you master it in everyday conversations. Maneuvering through refers to the act of skillfully navigating or moving through different situations, obstacles, or environments. It implies a sense of strategy, care, and sometimes creativity. This phrase can be used both literally and figuratively, which makes it applicable in diverse scenarios. Literal use. In its literal sense, maneuvering through can describe physical movement, like navigating through a crowded street, a complex maze, or tricky terrain. It emphasizes the skillful and deliberate effort to move through a space. Figurative use. Figuratively, the phrase takes on a more abstract meaning. It can refer to navigating through challenges, difficulties, or even complex information. For example, maneuvering through bureaucratic procedures, personal challenges, or intricate plots in a novel. To deepen your understanding, let's look at some examples. She excelled at maneuvering through the complex world of politics. He had a knack for maneuvering through crowded marketplaces without bumping into anyone. The course teaches you how to start maneuvering through the intricate details of web design. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to physical situations, as well as abstract concepts or fields of knowledge. To use maneuvering through effectively in your communication, keep the following tips in mind. 1. Context matters. Choose the phrase based on the situation. For physical contexts, it's straightforward. But for abstract uses, ensure it fits the complexity or difficulty you're describing. 2. Connotations. Remember that the phrase carries a connotation of skill and strategy. It's most appropriate in scenarios where these qualities are highlighted. 3. Complements. Pair it with words that enhance its meaning. For instance, skillfully maneuvering through, or carefully maneuvering through, can add depth to your sentence. Maneuvering through is a powerful phrase that can add dynamism to your English, whether you're describing a journey across physical spaces or through the metaphorical ones of challenges and complexities. We hope this exploration helps you in skillfully maneuvering through the beautiful landscape of the English language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights in our next video. Happy learning!